Well, good morning, guys. Just a few reminders for what's coming up this week, especially in our Bible class. There is a test on Thursday, and in the Friday packet, I did send home some study notes for Elijah, Elisha, and Daniel. And I think it would be very helpful if you were to go and review those notes before the test. There's a lot of names in this test coming up, and so I think those study notes would be very helpful in that regard. Also, there's two classes, one on Tuesday, one on Wednesday, that are going to be reviewing some of those Bible lessons as well. That would be very helpful if you would focus really hard on those review videos, as you should be doing on all the videos. I just wanted to mention a little bit about navigating in LMS, and I'm not sure, but I hope that everybody is able to see the boxes view of LMS. What I call the boxes view is called the LMS dashboard. And the LMS dashboard says, at a little banner line across the top, a little bit to the left, it'll say LMS dashboard, and a little bit farther over to the right, there will be a search icon. You know, the little magnifying glass thingy? It's the search icon, and right next to that, there's a symbol. And the symbol is either a series of lines or it's like a little tiny Rubik's Cube. And it's right next to that search icon. And that changes the view that you see on the LMS dashboard. The LMS dashboard will show you all the classes that you have. The best view is to have the one with the boxes, because each class then shows all the lessons that are going to be taught for the week. And then you can just click on that lesson and go right to it. If you have the other view, it just lists the classes by line. And so there's a series of 10 lines, and each class just listed on the line that way, and it doesn't show you the detail of each lesson. And so if you're seeing those classes listed by a series of lines, then I suggest that you probably need to go up to that search icon, and right next to the search icon, click on those little boxes that should be there, and that should get you to the box view, as I call it. And then that way you'll be able to see all the lessons for each class. And that way you won't miss an upcoming quiz or an upcoming test or something like that. And by the way, you've probably noticed, but I labeled the quizzes with a Q. Q4 would be quiz 4. I labeled the tests with a T. T2 would be test 2. And so that's one way you can see in that list of lessons for the week what's coming up. So I'll just do a quick review. For Bible this week, we have that test on Thursday. In history, we have a quiz on Wednesday and a test on Friday over chapter 15 and 16. In health, we have a quiz on Tuesday. And in language, for the 5th graders, there's a test on Tuesday and a quiz on Thursday. That's in language. The penmanship test is on Thursday as per usual. We have a math quiz coming up on Wednesday. And let's see what else. Spelling is the trial test, of course, which is requirement. Everybody should be taking that trial test to help prepare for the regular test on Wednesday. And then our reading comprehension skill sheets on Tuesday, and the Adventure in Greatness quiz on Thursday, the reading vocabulary quiz on Friday. And the reading vocabulary list should have been in the packet. Also, if you didn't get it, you can copy down the list in the class. Remember that the Adventure in Greatness quiz is an online quiz. That way there's no paper to lose. And I'd like you to take a good photo directly on, if you can, well lighted, of the vocabulary test on Friday. That way I can grade it the same day. Hey guys, have a good week, and I hope that we're back together again really soon.